Any business can scale to over $50,000 per month with LinkedIn. Most people are sleeping on LinkedIn. They're focused on Instagram, Facebook, Google, and a bunch of other platforms. But if you're actually looking to target high net worth individuals, big B2B businesses, and actually close enterprise level deals, this is for you. Now, most people are thinking, what is LinkedIn? Is it cringe, or isn't there a lot of competition on it already? Well, that's wrong. LinkedIn has over 1 billion people on the platform at the moment. Majority are business owners. And here's how I'd go ahead and actually scale your business to $50,000 with LinkedIn using content and the DMs. Now, if you've got a team of over 5, I'd suggest using those 5 profiles, sending over 140 connection requests every single week per profile. The aim here is to target hyper-targeted individuals, CEOs, co-founders, sales executives, and managers and general managers within that business. I would use Sales Navigator, and I'd also use another company called Cindy to go ahead and hyper-target those people. And I've left the link in the description down below if you want to go check out Cindy. Now, after this, you want to simply send out a free value message. Something like, hey, how's it going? I just checked out your page and I made a scaling doc which could help you do, and in whatever your business does, if it scales, if it saves time, and just ask, can I send it over? Most of the time, these big businesses, especially the ones with 50 to 100 plus employees, they are simply looking for free value. If something's free, they're gonna be like, yeah, sure. And they also don't want people that are gonna pitch or waste their time, because there's so many people sending salesy messages just like this, and it's simply ruining the reputation of most people on LinkedIn. So once you've gone ahead and done that, you can expect anywhere from 5 to 10 high qualified booked calls every single week per profile. If you've done this correctly and you have a team of setters, you should be able to hit this KPI at a minimum. Now, when it comes to content, you want to post out these 3 types of content. The first one is the lead magnets. Lead magnets are basically engagement pods. Everyone's commenting down on a specific post, trying to go and say lead, or they comment down a specific word and in which they receive a resource. That resource can then be funneled through a newsletter, which will then scrape their email, and it'll also put them towards a YouTube video, where the YouTube video is very valuable, it's got good information. People can either think, yep, this guy definitely knows what he's talking about, or he doesn't and I don't want to book a call. But realistically, if you know what you're talking about, you're going to be able to book 5 to 10 calls very, very consistently if you're able to handle this properly. Now, when it comes to the lead magnets, you can go ahead and DM all of the people that have commented. Let's say you get 500 comments, then out of those 500 comments, 200 people are qualified to buy a $5,000 service. You send them messages and you keep on following up using free value again, and also by using free value AI consultations, coaching calls, free audit calls, and you're going to push them through to that, where you could again expect, a 50% reply rate off that 200 people if you've optimized and used follow-ups. Actually, I'll go ahead and say 30%. And then if you then take that down even more and how many people go ahead and say, yeah, sure, I want to book in, you're probably looking at about another 50% off that 30%. You're probably looking at anywhere between 20 to 40 calls if your lead magnet has a high quality post. You're able to create good value content on YouTube, you're able to FOMO people through your newsletter, and then you're able to DM people correctly. And that's exactly how you'd go ahead and make $50,000 per month. Because if we add up this total and we're getting about 20 calls per week using LinkedIn off 5 accounts, you can then see 20 calls times by 4, because obviously per month, you've got 80 qualified calls every single month. Now, if you've got a 20% close rate, you're looking at about 16 clients, and then 16 clients times by 5,000, there you go. And that's basically how you scale to $50,000 in a nutshell using LinkedIn. If you're looking to have this high quality infrastructure built out for yourself, click book a call down below and I can see how we can help. But if you just want to have some free value, I've left a link to a LinkedIn go-to-market scaling doc, which you can go ahead and claim in the link in the description. So without further ado, I'll catch you on the next one.